This year we sent Locomotive 3001 to Transport Heritage Expo. 3001 operated on the Hurstbill shuttles in tandem with 3526 over the Expo weekend, and it also obviously participated the first time in 5 years in a great train race at Transport Heritage Expo, which was pretty special and exciting. Then it ran at Expo over the 4 days with no issues. Early in the year we completed the restoration of 2705. The boiler was completed in late January. The loco was reassembled. Testing was undertaken for it to participate in Day Out with Thomas in March, and it's continued in service all year with no issues. Locomotive 3265 was taken out of service after Festival of Steam this year for some overdue works around the corrosion repairs on its tender and retubing the boiler. That work is nearing completion now with the locomotive 85% complete. The tender works are complete, the tender's painted, the engine's currently in the workshop for painting to be undertaken, and we're having a new set of super elements constructed for it, which will be arriving late January, which will see the engine completed mid-February, ready for our steam season in March. Work is continuing Locomotive 3801. We've been through an exercise to determine suitable material to replace the locomotive's motion components. They're now under manufacture at Lysink Engineering in Wollongong, with manufacturing around 50% complete. We're expecting to receive those items in mid-February. We're currently replacing the locomotive self-cleaning smoke box and spark arrestor, also in addition to fitting new super elements for the locomotive. So we anticipate at this stage the locomotive being in trials early to mid-late March next year. The 6029 is in the workshop with the delay in the new front tank, which is expected mid-February next year. We elected to change the 32 super elements we safe entered during the tube plate replacement in 2018. So the tank is due for delivery sometime in February. We're hopeful it'll be back in service by April next year. 4520, which has been an on-off project for the Roundhouse team, is continuing. The cab has been cut off and replaced due to significant corrosion. We're in the middle of doing body repairs at the moment. We do have to replace a large amount of the locomotive's hood due to corrosion. It will continue as a project moving forward probably over the next 6 to 9 months. Restoration is continuing on CPH13. We have the reconditioned engine here for it now. A volunteer team are well through rewiring it. The transmission that we sent away to be overhauled was not reusable. We've been able to obtain drawings from the United States of America, make patterns, cast and machine all the required components. Those items were sent to Queensland 2 weeks ago for the transmission completed and come back, so that we'll see in the next month or so the engine transmission go back into the unit. We're also now waiting for the front windscreens for it, which are AAR glass compliant frames and glass. Once they arrive, that can be fitted and the body can be finished off, and once that's finished, we can finish the interior reassembly, and we're hopeful that mid next year we'll see CPH13 completed and go into trials.